Welcome to Diabetes Care Tips, the channel that will reveal to you all you need to know about diabetes. In this video, we will talk about it. What are the causes of type 1 diabetes? Watch this video to the end and then follow the link that I leave below in the description where you will discover the amazing secrets of cooking delicious meals suitable for diabetics. Subscribe to the channel and give the bell to be the first to find out every time we publish new content about diabetes. What are the causes of type 1 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is caused by an autoimmune reaction that destroys cells in the pancreas that make insulin, called beta cells. This process can continue for months or years before any other symptoms. Some people have certain genes, traits passed down from parent to child, that make them more likely to develop type 1 diabetes, although many do not have type 1 diabetes even if they have the genes. It is also believed to be exposed to a trigger in the environment, such as a virus, playing a role in the development of type 1 diabetes. Diet and lifestyle habits do not cause type 1 diabetes. Symptoms and risk factors. It may take months or years for them to be destroyed. We have beta cells before the symptoms of type 1 diabetes are noticed. The symptoms of type 1 diabetes can develop in just a few weeks or months. Once symptoms appear, they can be serious. Some symptoms of type 1 diabetes are similar to the symptoms of other health conditions. Don't guess. If you think you might have type 1 diabetes, see your doctor right away for a blood sugar test. Untreated diabetes can cause very serious, even fatal, health problems. The risk factors for type 1 diabetes are not as clear as for prediabetes and type 2 diabetes, although family history is known to play a role. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and give the bell so that you are informed and prevented about diabetes and the different types of diabetes that exist. Now that you've reached the end of this video, I invite you to discover the amazing secrets of cooking diabetic-friendly. Follow the link that I leave below the description of this video and find out what it is. You are an incredible person. You have reached the end of the video, which shows that you are a person committed to your health. We want to see you back through our channel. Subscribe, like, comment and share for others to benefit from this information.